Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to play your phone games on PC. Here are the clear steps to play your phone games on PC using Google Play Games on Windows. First, open your PC and connect to a stable internet connection. Launch any web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. Search for Google Play Games for PC in the search bar. Open the official Google Play Games website from Google. Click the download button to get the installer. Locate the downloaded file, usually in your downloads folder, or the pop-up menu in the top right. Double-click the installer to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and let it install on your PC. Once installed, open Google Play Games Beta from your Start menu. Sign in with your Google account, same one you use on your phone. When the library loads, browse or search for a game you want to play. Then click Install on the game you chose. After installation, click play and enjoy your mobile game on your PC using keyboard and mouse. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.